हाँ जी बोलिए। मैं था नहीं मामी, मैं आज ही आया हूँ मेरी फिल्म ओमेटा की स्क्रीनिंग के लिए। आज मैं बुसान में था, दूसरे फिल्म फेस्टिवल में था कोरिया में, आज सवेरे ही आया हूँ।
काफी बड़ा रिस्पांस मिला सोशल मीडिया पे भी हम रिएक्शंस देख रहे थे, तो कितना ओवरवेल्म्ड फील करते हैं आप?
नहीं अच्छा, मतलब एक तो मामी जैसे कोई घर लौट कर आया है ना, वैसा लगता है। हाँ।
Sir, do you think censor will trouble you when the film is up for a commercial release? What is your take on this?
लेट्स सी, we'll क्रॉस दैट ब्रिज व्हेन वी कम टू इट। मतलब दिक्कत होगी, मेरा मानना है कि वो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि समझे वो फिल्म का कॉन्टेक्स्ट। हमने कोई भी चीज़ सेंसेशनलाइज करने के लिए नहीं की है।
But there is a national anthem scene where Rajkumar Rao's character is taking a lead. Do you think that could be a bit of a contention?
इफ़ आई थॉट आई वुड नॉट हैव पुट इट नो। अगर मुझे लगता कि वो कंटेंशन होता तो मैं रखता ही नहीं।
नहीं, मैं सेंसर की तरफ से पूछ रहा हूँ।
सेंसर का देखिए कोई भरोसा नहीं है। तो वो उनके बारे में सोच के आप फिल्म नहीं बना सकते हो। No, I'm here for mommy. This is not the place to discuss this. Life. There's much more in life. Don't waste your time on these old things.
Ansel sir, is it special when your film is appreciated so well? Talking about festival, very special for us. Is it special when your film is appreciated?
I'm always. Mommy has always been wonderful to us. Right from Shahid, then to Aligarh, and now Omerta. It's overwhelming always to be at mommy, and what a wonderful audience this time. I was a bit sad that there were so many people who could not watch the film, and this was a chance to see the uncensored film. So, but yes, it was still very overwhelming. I was very moved. Well, the film that inspired me to become a filmmaker was seen at a film festival in Bombay only in 1994, Blue by Krzysztof Kieslowski. मैं मतलब क्रैकर्स से बहुत पहले से खिलाफ हूँ। मतलब दिवाली तो रोज़ मनाता हूँ। हैप्पी दिवाली। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Ansel. Bye. देखिए आपने
This time I couldn't because I'm prepping for a film, so I couldn't come and watch much of the films here this time.
Sir, any film in recent times that really touched you from the world of Hindi?
Our film, Vikram Vedha.
What are you busy with currently? What projects are you working on?
Prepping for a feature in November, so which is what is
Which
taking
one
time.
is that? Can you say more about it?
Probably the producers would be better to kind of talk
Sir,
about
we
it.
will ask them, but we want to hear it from you, sir.
Sorry. Yeah.
Oxfam is giving away the award today for gender equality. You won the Chula Roti Award. Your thoughts about it?
We are extremely fortunate and humbled to be a part of this year and to watch all these films and to actually talk about it, debate about it, think about them. And thank you Oxfam for giving this most pertinent issue a proper platform. This time there were just 4 films, hoping that there will be many more in the coming years. But then this is like a great platform for even these 4 films to reach out and to create a huge debate. So.
Oh, it was like a treat to have them. Alankita was the one who we are missing her today right now. She was the one who had won this award, and both of them are they're so good in their work. It's like an honor and privilege to have them judge those movies, and when they decide something, I think it lends a lot of credibility to the entire thing.
Vasan, what is the status on Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota?
Yeah, that is what I'm probably start.
So you're launching Bhagyashree son, right?
No, I'm not launching anyone. He's an actor and he's a part of the film. We're not launching anyone.
So he's in the lead role.
It's his debut film. Yeah.
How do you see him as an actor? What has your assessment been?
I love him as an actor, which is why he's there in the
Correct.
film.
No. I mean more about him. What is the style? What is his technique?
I think it's a little too early to talk about it. Probably the proper PR machinery, because I think they don't trust us with blurting out things and mess it up for PR.
That is why you don't want it.
Yeah. No, but when the film's out there to release, sorry, I don't know. I don't know. The producers will. So, thanks.
Sir, but why Abhimanyu?
Because I love him, and I think he's a great actor. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't know. Yeah. I'm not really a launch kind of a guy to go to. So I'm just like any other regular director. So I don't think I kind of go through that pressure. Neither have I given 100 crore hits, nor have I proven myself launching people or making careers and all that. I'm yet to make my own career, so I don't think I go through all those pressures. I'll start shoot in the next month.
Sir, who is opposite Abhimanyu to fill the lead?
I think the producers will be the right people to like come out with all this. The producers will, yeah. अरे छोटी मोटी फिल्म है यार, उन लोग बताएंगे अच्छा हो जाएगा.
बहुत modest बन रहा है.
Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Ma'am, sir, have you been able to watch any films at Mami? If yes, what is the film that really touched you?
Unfortunately, I've not been able to see any movies because I was traveling. I've just got back and made it in time for the closing. But I'm aware of the programming, and I think it's a very, very big achievement to have so many different programming categories. And I think that Mami has now become the festival that India can be proud of. So I think that's a very, very big achievement.
So we all know that you're a brilliant director, but ventilator know that what a fabulous actor you are as well. Many people on social media felt that perhaps that should have been India's official entry to the Oscars. What is your take, sir? So don't be diplomatic, please.
No. I believe in the jury. Because I feel that a jury is there's a collective force, people who come together and in a very focused way watch an X number of films across a week. And they make the value additions and the value judgments. So I think I really believe in the jury. And I always like to go with the chosen one.
Okay.
I can't share anything yet because I'm still working on my script. But there'll be some news soon. Oh, with Hrithik? Oh, I would love to do. Yeah, of course I would love to. But though I've not yet worked on the script for him. Thank you.
One second, sir. What are you working on currently? Any project that you're blogging? Any script that you're blogging?
You know, ask me this question after a month and I'll have lots of information. Yeah. That's a difficult choice to make, because there are no one single film inspires you in that way. It's either a collective body of work of a filmmaker, or it's several films from different genres that really inspire. So for me, it's a collective force. Thank you. Yeah, here's wishing everybody, everyone watching at home, a very, very happy Diwali. It's a great year, despite the demonetization, I hope. So enjoy, have a great time. Yeah. I think that cinema as a medium is so strong a medium. We have so far not been able to harness gender equality in movies. I think the award will give more inspiration, freedom for more filmmakers to think on these topics. Because I think whether it's Marathi cinema or even Hindi cinema, we are now trying different genres which was not happening in the past. So I think it's a welcome addition.
Sir, you're doing a film like Farhan Akhtar, I believe. What is the status here?
Thank you so much.
Sir, Rupesh, sir. Madam, आपको share कर लीजिए.